How to use the TREN Database. Let's start at the Manuel Library website. Simply click TREN Dissertations and Theses to get started. This is what the TREN Database looks like. You can use the Google Scholar search bar to look up dissertations and theses through keyword searches that search the contents of the works. You can also search the dissertations and theses or search the conferences. For the former option, you can do a keyword search that searches titles, or you can specify author's first or last name, their school, their degree, or their year of degree. For the latter option, you can do a keyword search that searches titles, or you can specify author's first or last name, or the conference. So let's say we want to do a general search of the dissertations and theses contents for the keyword leadership. You would type it into the search bar as shown below and hit search. You will be brought to a screen that looks like this. Don't worry, you are off the TREN Database now, but as soon as you click on a dissertation or thesis you want to look at, you will be transferred right back to the database. Unfortunately, this option will not give you much information to go off of to make a selection. Let's say we want to click on the second one. Once you click it, you are returned to TREN. You can click Add this digital eDoc to the Piedmont International University subscription to open the document. From there, you will be brought to this screen. You can hit Download Now to download the document. Once you have opened it, it will ask for a password. It will always be Piedmont, all lowercase. Now let's talk about the other options. I would recommend mostly using this search option, search for theses/dissertations through a keyword title search. All you do is put the keyword you want to search for into the title, keyword, and title entry, and make any other specifications and hit search. You may also want to search specifically by conference, and this search will be exactly the same, but for conferences. Let's say we want to search for the keyword leadership, and we are only interested in those that were authored by 2019 graduates, or the year of degree. You will be brought to this results page. Look through the results, and if there are any that interest you, then click Add this digital eDoc to the Piedmont International University subscription. Intuitively, you may want to click on the title. If you click on a word in the title, you will actually be clicking on only that word, and it will do a keyword search of that word. This can be helpful for when you need to change your keyword search and you find a better keyword in the title, but it will not bring up the document. You must click Add this digital eDoc to the Piedmont International University subscription to bring up the document. Again, from there, you will be brought to the screen. You can hit Download Now to download the document. Don't forget that once you have opened it, it will ask for a password. It will always be Piedmont, all lowercase. Now you can see the PDF of the dissertation or thesis. You have options to print it, find specific words in the text, make comments, and email the PDF. Thank you for watching the Manuel Libraries tutorial on how to use the TREN Database. We hope this information was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at library@piedmontu.edu or call us at 336-714-7894.